Yeah, we just got the bike back home. Here's all the tie straps. This is how we normally tie the bike. So the handlebars are tied, connected front, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. There's the ramp that we use for your passenger pegs. And there's the handlebar strap that we use. And it's just connected with little tie straps. So I'm loosening it right now. I just removed the rears. But we're gonna start to unload the bike. Okay, the bike off of the truck. Yeah, and I forgot to record. I told my wife to push it back up there so we can unload it, but she doesn't think that's a good idea. But anyways, yeah, basically we just rolled it off of it using the front brake and slowly release the front brake as you're coming back down. All right, so this is the bike. There's scratches here and there, but we're gonna fix it and make it look showroom condition before we sell it.